Guys, we are finally headed to the lake. We've been waiting all year, since February of last year, but we're headed to the lake. The lakes are frozen. We're going out there. We're going to be instructing for the Audi Club today, so come along and let's watch what exciting stuff happens today as we head out on a frozen lake today. Frozen actually. It's the river right here. Obviously you see just a little bit of the river that's not frozen, but we're a couple minutes away. We're going to go over to the ambulance corps, will be headquarters basically. The driving school will do the classroom instruction from there, and then we'll head out to the lake in probably about 9 o'clock, so about another hour from now, and we're going to go have some fun. So looking forward to it. We'll see you guys out in the lake in a little bit. Don't be yelling at my car.
I know what those cases are. Morning. Morning.
Lovely. Popcorn.
There you go. Stuff yourself. Popcorn. Nice and salty.
Who does he think I am?
Because I got some snacky mix.
Alright, whatever.
And I got myself some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Did it smell the whole way up? Did you start it? Did you run it the whole way up? Turn it on?
Should've.
Everything ready to go? Let's go do this Audi Club thing.
Yeah. Yeah, like to store the car on the trailer. Yeah, no problem. I know. Join us at Adam? No? Okay. Frank? Not here yet. I didn't see him. Okay. Oh, hi, Mark is here.
Alright, we're headed out onto the lake. We just had classroom session, and students seem excited, so they're ready to go. So we're headed down now, right in pretty much a convoy line. So let's get on the ice for the first time this year. It's going to be good. How we doing?
The seat hugs you like it inflates, and
almost like a race seat.
I feel like I'm getting love.
Yeah.
It's It's awesome.
This is a wicked car.
Yeah, so we got that. Let's put it back in sport mode, right? Sport.
All about these cars these days, trying to figure out which systems you got to turn off and how to do it.
Yes.
Yeah, how to do it.
And how to do it. Like stomp your left foot twice, you know, clap your hands, turn the steering wheel to the right.
RPMs.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Somebody will see it. There we go. Look up. You should be looking up.
Ask if we can go clockwise.
Go the other way?
Yeah.
Well, if you're going to go to the far one, just tell Jeff you're going to do that.
Okay.
Jeff's out there.
Go anywhere you want. Going to the far one, you can go anywhere you want. Make sure the car behind you goes the same way.
Same way.
We don't want.
Truth.
Go for it. Far one.
There you go. Get back into it. You got plenty of room. Eyes back inside. Correct. Nice. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, yeah. There you go. Stay with it. Stay with it. Beautiful. Oh, that was great. Jeff's got his hands up. All right, I think we're switching. Dude, that was stellar. You were going around 3/4 of the time, coming back through. It was nice.
Thank you, sir.
Get on it. Starts with my face every time. It's going.
See, Joe, you can't do this because you're too short.
That's why I have the little shorty extension.
Yeah. We're good.
Yellow! Yellow!
Guys, hit like if you enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of this ice racing action. There's plenty more to come on this season. And if you want to ride shotgun with us, that's the way to do it. So hit subscribe below. Do it. Hit it right now.